Hey there, teachers! Today I'm going to show you how you can quickly set up and modify categories in your semester-based courses. The first step is to ensure that you are in the right course. Up here at the top, I can see that I'm currently in Semester 1 for U.S. Government. That coincides with Quarters 1 and 2 only. In my dropdown, I also have a second semester course that will only correspond to Quarters 3 and 4. Our next step is to add that category. I'm going to click New Category, give it a title, give it a %, choose what sections I want it linked to. Now here's a focus pro tip. If I have a category called Homework in those biology courses, even if I don't want this linked here, the system is going to link it for me. So I need to be mindful, because what will happen is a tug of war between the percentage amounts if homework is a different amount in biology than it is in government. This linked marking period is extremely important. Remember, this is a Semester 1 course. It can only be connected to Quarters 1 and 2. Otherwise, it's going to throw an error. I'm going to deselect Quarters 3 and 4, and then I'm going to save. If I realize I've accidentally linked any category to the wrong quarter, all I have to do, select the category, click Edit, click my drop-down, deselect, and then save. It's going to remind me that I'm removing this from Quarters 3 and 4, and now I've corrected that error. Thanks so much for watching. Check out a recommended video that's here, because we're united for every student to succeed.